Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about one of the most iconic muscle cars of all the time, the Dodge Challenger. This car has been around for over 5 decades and is still a favorite among car enthusiasts. So let's dive in and explore what makes the Dodge Challenger so special. The exterior design of the Challenger is perfect blend of classic and modern styling. The retro-inspired body lines, wide stance, and aggressive front fascia are reminiscent of the muscle car era of 1970s. The 2021 model comes with some significant updates including new wheel design, grille and front fascia design, and LED headlights and taillights. Overall, the Challenger exterior design is a perfect mix of old school and new school styling. The interior of Dodge Challenger is spacious and comfortable, with ample legroom and headroom for both the driver and passengers. The car comes with a range of features such as leather power adjustable seats, dual zone automatic climate control, and a touchscreen infotainment system. The latest models comes with a 7.0-inch touchscreen that offers Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, make it easy for drivers to stay connected on the road. The Dodge Challenger is known for its performance and for good reason. The base model comes with 3.6-liter V6 engine that produces 305 horsepower. The Dodge Challenger comes with a range of safety features including a rear view camera, blind spot monitoring. The Dodge Challenger is a true American muscle car that has stood the test of time. Its classic design, impressive performance, and all over. The Dodge Challenger is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching this video.